Hey, Sway, what are you doing over there? You've been pounding away at the computer for about a half an hour. Shh! I'm clicking on my video on Facebook. I'm going to catch Max. Him and his 20,000 views. Now, he's telling me it's 21,000 views. I'm going to catch him. I've been playing this thing for a half an hour, and I'm going to keep doing it until I catch him. Well, hate to tell you this, buddy. You're wasting your time. Facebook knows when you're clicking multiple times from the same computer. You're never going to catch Max. Give it up. Go ahead, Max. Laugh it up. I'll get you. I will get you. And who told you that you could run up clicks like that? Whisper! Uh, hey guys, gotta run. Gotta do the news. Later.